Hi, my name is Natalia Meade and I'm an immigration attorney here at PSBP Law. Yesterday, we talked a little bit about documents and evidence that can be submitted to USCIS to prove a good faith marriage. However, another popular question we receive is what types of questions can I expect on the day of my interview? It's very important to remember that in a marriage-based interview, the officer will be asking questions of both the petitioner, who's the US citizen, and the beneficiary, who is the person applying for the green card. We'll talk about some general questions today, but it's important to remember that everybody's experience will vary depending on the couple and the officer. 1. The officer is definitely going to review the questions on the forms. So you should review all the answers provided on the form I-130, which is the petition, and form I-485, which is the green card application. 2. The officer will ask questions about timeline and dates. The officer will want to know when and where you started dating, how long you've been dating, when the proposal was, and when the wedding was. 3. The officer is going to want to know you as a couple. This means that you can expect questions about what you do in your free time, if you have pets, kids, if you spend time with family or friends. It's also very probable that the officer will like to ask or review photos that you provided that are updated and weren't submitted originally with your application. And lastly, the officer can ask questions about your immigration status and whether you knew about each other's status when you first started dating. Some other questions can also involve whether you know about each other's jobs and how much you make, and who's responsible for what in the home. So this can involve finances, as well as possibly any house duties. These are general questions that you can expect. They don't always get asked, but in case you want a more detailed preparation appointment, you're more than welcome to contact our office for further assistance.